Okay, so in any given business that produces a product, there is a supply chain, and it is the channels of which that product passes through as it is converted from the raw material at the manufacturer to the final finished product at the consumer. So, for argument's sake, it's the manufacturer who provides that product to the wholesaler, who provides that product to the retailer, which is where you go to consume that product. Now, there's price differences all along this chain. Manufacturer's cost to produce the product is far less than the consumer's cost to purchase that product, which is why, if you've ever heard of something called MSRP, that is the manufacturer's suggested retail price. And that is the rate of the discount as to which you are charged as a consumer. You'll see in some automobile advertisements that you can buy things at MSRP prices, or at the MSRP, which means that you will get it for what the manufacturer suggests the retailer should charge. Now, that's kind of neither here nor there, but as a business owner, you need to be able to determine these trade discounts as you work through the supply chain. So, let's have a look at the main trade discount formula. It is the amount of the discount is what we're looking at, right? It's the amount of the discount. So that is determined by multiplying the list price of any given product by the rate of that discount, which is also the manufacturer's suggested retail price and is also a percentage. Okay, so what we have here is we have your typical triangle formula. Can you see what I'm talking about here? Okay, look. We have the amount of the discount is equal to the list price times the rate of the discount. And for our purposes, rate of discount is lowercase d, and amount of discount is capital A. So look at, it's pretty much straightforward. In any way, we can manipulate this formula to give us exactly what we're looking for. So, if we want to know what the list price is, then all we need to do is simply divide the amount of the discount by D. So the list price is equal to the amount of the discount divided by the rate of the discount. Okay, pretty straightforward there. Again, if we wanted to know what the rate of the discount was, we would just divide again the amount of the discount by the list price. So there we have three formulas. We have the amount of the discount, the rate of the discount, and the list price of that product. Now, from these three formulas that we have, we can use the most important formula that we'll need as a business operators, and that is determining what is, oh, I guess I can't go any further. Okay, you guys, what is net price of that product? This net price is what you actually sell the product at. Okay? So, that is determined by going N is equal to the list price minus the list price times the rate of the discount. Another way to look at that is to factor it out and go the net price is equal to list price times 1 minus rate of the discount. It's the same thing, but if you look at the formula structure, it is very similar to the pattern that we see in financial mathematics. So here we have, from what we had up here, we are able to then determine what is net price, as we may need to use the amount of the discount to figure out what is list price and what is the rate of the discount. So pretty straightforward, but that is what our net price formula is.